Hi dear viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to increase the brightness, hue, saturation and other color grading parameters of any video that you are watching online in any browser that you use. So if you are watching any video in any browser online without downloading it and you find that the brightness or other parameters of the concerned video are very dull, so with the help of this extension you can increase those values according to your taste and make that video watchable for you. So let me tell you, this extension works with all of the browsers and for all of the contents that various websites provide, whether it is YouTube or any other website. Okay, so after trying many extensions, I found only this extension to be working for me. This extension is specially designed for PC or laptop, whatever you use, and with the help of this, any video that is playing in your browser, its brightness, saturation, hue and other parameters can be adjusted with this extension easily. Okay, so now let's start how to download and install this extension and how to use this. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all you have to open your browser, whichever browser you use. I generally use Google Chrome, so I will be demonstrating this in my Google Chrome browser. So let's open Google Chrome. So this is Google Chrome. Okay, now what you have to do, go to these three dots, extensions, and visit Chrome Web Store. Click on extensions and in the search bar here you type video styler. Okay, when you type video styler, this extension comes in front of you and you have to click on that, and in this window here you will find installation options for this extension. Since this extension is already installed on my laptop, so this is showing the option remove from Chrome. Okay, when you visit first time for installation of this extension, here you will find the option add to Chrome or install to Chrome. Just click on that option and this extension will be automatically installed to your Google Chrome. Okay, after installation you have to go to this extension button, click on it, and here you will find the extension that you have added newly. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just pin it. Okay, since by default it remains unpinned after installation. Okay, so you have to pin it. We have pinned it. After pinning it, this extension starts showing here with all other extensions that you have in your web browser. Okay, now our extension has been pinned, so now we will close this window, close this tab and open any online video. Okay, let's close this tab. So for example, I have found this video, that is a video lying on my channel. You can watch the full video. So I'm going to increase the brightness of this video, for example. Okay, what I will do, I will go to this extension video styler, click on it. First of all, this is on off switch, this is blue and on, this means it is on. This is gray and off, this means it's off. Okay, let's on it. First parameter is brightness, then contrast, saturate, grayscale, invert, sepia, hue, rotate, blur and SVG filter. Okay, a number of features have been mentioned over here. Okay, you can use all of them for your video. So let's first of all increase the brightness. Okay, see here the magic, video brightness has been increased. Let's increase a little bit more, see here. Okay, so whenever you will increase the slider value on positive sides, the brightness will increase, but whenever you will decrease the slider value, the brightness will decrease. See the magic. Okay. Believe me, this is the only extension that works properly with online videos. There is none other extension that's working properly with all the online videos. Okay. So let's reset it. Now let's try contrast. C, decrease C. Okay. Reset. Now saturate. C, decrease C. Okay. Now grayscale. C, reset, invert, reset, sepia. C, reset, hue rotate. Look, blur. C. Okay. So this has a couple of options by using which you can color grade your video that is online. And you don't have to spend your data on downloading that particular video. Okay, downloading will take time, your data will also be consumed. Okay, so instead of downloading any video, if you want to just increase and color grade a little bit any online video that you want to watch without downloading it, this is the best option. Okay, so with the help of this video styler extension, you can easily increase brightness, contrast, saturate or grayscale of any video in your browser. This feature is very amazing and this extension works very well for PC or your laptops. Okay, let me tell you again, this extension works with all the browsers provided that the browser supports installation of this extension. Okay, in every browser this extension will be supported, and on every website these features provided within the extension will work for that video. Okay, although I have demonstrated only for YouTube. Okay, but this will work with all other websites. Okay, wherever you want to watch a video, whether it's a movie or something else. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you must enjoy this extension whenever you need. If you like the content of the video, please like the video, comment on the video and share it among your friend circle. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you might get the notifications of the latest uploaded videos on the channel. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video with some other new content. Okay, thank you. Please stay connected.